sometimes it is very necessary to add some few numbers on our emergency number, which can help us in our emergency time. So in today's video, I'll tell you how you can add emergency numbers or your friends or family's number on emergency side, through which you can access the emergency call and you can call your family or friends on an emergency time. So watch this video till the end to know the whole process. Open your phone setting, go to security, click on the emergency SOS. Now click on emergency number, then click on add numbers. Here you can add any number which you want to add on the emergency call. Once you are done, use your power button, long press your power button to apply these settings. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.